Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020. Subject is English literature and today the topic is the miser's donkey and we will do question answers. So let's start. Students, as you know that we have already done words meaning and word sentences of this chapter. So today we will do question answers. And so let's start from the third question because question number 1 and second is not included. So first question number 3 is what was the young man's name? Students, the young man's name was Rajib. How much did he inherit from his father? So students, what is the meaning of inherit? It means to receive money or property after the death of the previous holder. So, how much did he inherit from his father? Students, he inherited about 2000 piastres from his father. Okay, he inherited about 2000 piastres from his father. So skip question number 5 because it's not included. Move to the next question number 6. What bright idea came into his mind? So he thought to get help from his rich uncle who lived in a far off city. Students, this is Rajib's uncle and as you know that he is poor, so he thought to get help from his rich uncle who lived in a far off city. This is a picture of his uncle who is rich. Question number 8. Why was he disappointed when he read his uncle? What was the reason that made him disappointed? Students, as you know that in the story that why Rajib came from Cairo to his uncle's home because he wanted his uncle will help him and give him some money. But when he saw the miserable condition of his uncle, he was very surprised. And when he was on the way and he was asking about the Yusuf's house, some boys were laughing. When he said that tell me the house of rich Yusuf, the boys were laughing. Okay, and then he also thought in his mind that why the boys are laughing? Is his uncle is miser? So then he went to his uncle's home and he saw the miserable condition of his uncle. Question number 10. What did they eat for their first meal together? What was their first meal? Students, they eat cheese and crusts of bread. That was their first meal. Okay, the next question is, what did the old miser say when his nephew explained the purpose of his visit? He said that he had nothing to give him. So students, when this young man began to talk about about why he came here, when he started to explain the reason of coming here to the old miser, the old miser was very angry to listen. He said that I'm very much poor man. There is no poor person in the world than me. In what way was Rajib kind to the poor starving donkey? So students, he bought some barley and gave it to the donkey with fresh water. The next question, where did the young man sleep at night? He slept on the floor at night. And why did they go to the market next morning? They went to the market to sell the. So you can see here, in the morning the old man invited his nephew to accompany him to the market. He said that I am going to sell the donkey. The animal is the only thing left to me of all my property. So he went to the market by taking Rajib. Who bought the donkey and what price did he pay for it? Rajib bought the donkey in 700 piastres. Why did Yusuf return with Rajib to Cairo? He returned to Cairo to get his money from Rajib. And what happened to the old miser on his way home? He was attacked, robbed and slain by the highway robbers. Describe how the donkey helped Rajib to find the hidden treasure. The donkey stamped and pawed on the ground. You can see in this picture, the donkey stamped and pawed on the ground. So Rajib stared at the animal for a few minutes and then suddenly ran into the house, and then he returned with a rusty old pick and began to turn up the ground. And then he found gold coins, a bag full of golden coins. What event took place a few weeks later? Rajib got married a few months later because now he had a lot of money. So he got married a few months later. Students, I hope you understand these question answers. Do these question answers very neatly on your English literature notebook. And if you feel any problem, you can tell me in the comment box. Take care. Allah Hafiz.